What's up, you guys? You're back with your girl iRock, and in less than 8 minutes I'm going to show you guys how I do my nails at home using no acrylic. If you follow each of these steps, your fake nails will be able to last for 2 weeks. Make sure you watch the entire video all the way through so you don't miss a beat. Let's go ahead and get into it. I purchased these fake nails from Amazon. These are nail tips from BT Art Box, and check this out. They only cost me around $17, and you get 500 fake nails with like 10 different sizes from 0 to 9. You can do like a gazillion full sets for just the price of like $17. So what I love most about these nails is that they are already shaped in the coffin design. I just want to remind you guys this method is super affordable, beginner friendly, and no acrylic is required. So this is step 1. I groom my natural nails. I use the clippers to cut my nails straight across. I love grooming my natural nails because I don't like my real nails showing under the fake nails, and I honestly highly recommend doing that because it looks so much more professional, and honestly they just last longer. Second step is to file and shape your natural nails. I am rounding out the edges and I'm filing my nails straight across. You can file and shape your nails to your liking. Keep in mind, this is how I do my nails at home using no acrylic, so it may be different for you guys, so just keep that in mind. Also, as you guys can see, I have already chosen the nails that fit my natural nails, so make sure when you guys are choosing your nails, they are not too big or too small on your natural nails, because that's going to make the biggest difference to give your fake nails that salon look. The third step, and a really important step, is to clean your nails with nail polish remover using a cotton ball. This removes dirt and oil from your nails, which helps the fake nails stay longer on your nails with the glue. And honestly, it's going to take your DIY fake nail at home, it's going to make it last to 2 weeks. This fourth step is a must. If you are doing your fake nails at home, you must file the top of your nail in order for the glue to adhere to your nail for 2 weeks plus. Literally, please do not skip this step. Thank me later. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and share to everyone you know. This is my biggest tip for you guys, and I hope you guys really appreciate it. This right here will have your nails lasting for 2 weeks without coming off, without having to reapply it or anything like that. I'm just showing you guys the nail glue that I am using. It's super quick and it has a great hold. I will link it down below. I totally recommend, and I got it from Amazon. Now this is step 4. Finally applying your fake nails onto your real nails. I use size 7, by the way, for my pinky, so I'm going to tell you guys each size that I'm using for each finger. So I'm using the glue right there. Apply a small dot in the middle of the nail, and then you're going to press your fake nail down onto your real nail. Hold for about 3 seconds, and then you're gonna let it go. As you guys can see right here, I put too much glue, so only apply a small dot in the middle of your nail, and it's going to spread out and it's going to completely attach the fake nail onto your real nail. So that second nail I put on was size 5, and the middle finger right there is size 3. And you can wipe off any of the excess. It does get a little bit dry, but you can pull it off your skin. So I believe that one was 3 for that size. No, 4. And I use size 1 for my thumb. And it's super easy, and honestly that's it. I want to go ahead and do my other hand. And now they are done. And now I'm just going to file some of the length away and just sharpen up the sides. If you are not into long nails, these nails are really long, so you can go ahead and clip the nails to the size that you like and shape them however you want. They're long, but I like them that way, and I totally got used to them. This is the first time I had my nails this long, and I am so in love, and I will never go back to short nails. So that last step was step 5, and this is step 6. I'm applying a base coat from LA Colors. It's actually a base coat and a top coat in one, so you get 2 for 1, which is super cool. But if you guys are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share on your social media. The video is almost done, so make sure you guys go ahead and stay all the way through. Also, in the description, I'm going to link down below. I did a video on how I do my pedicures, which is super amazing and it's so relaxing, and I highly recommend you guys go watch that video after this one, and you guys can do your nails and do your toes, and you guys will be ready to go. Now that our base coat is dry, we're moving on to step 7, and that is to polish your nails. You can choose whatever color you like. I absolutely love this color from Salon, Perfect. I literally been raving over it like so much. I mentioned it in my pedicure video. I use the same color as well. I mentioned how this color looks super good on dark skin, and honestly it's my favorite go-to color. So yeah, I highly recommend. These polishes are $4 at Walmart, so super affordable, and I like the consistency, and honestly they have so many just beautiful cute colors that you gotta go check it out. Okay, so you're gonna apply 2 coats of polish. This is just my first coat, and it's just a thin layer. And then once this dries for about 5 to 10 minutes, I went in and I applied a second coat, and it's going to look so much better. It's going to not look as see-through-y. I don't know, it's not going to look as transparent as it does right here. So I did that off camera, and I'm going to show you guys right now like what it looks like with 2 coats. You must apply 2 coats. So I went ahead and I applied 2 coats of color. Please remember to apply 2 coats so you cannot see through the polish. And step 8, I am applying a top coat from Sinful Colors. I love this top coat. It's super shiny, and it keeps my nails popping. And also a pro tip, so you guys don't have to spend too much money, you can use a hair dryer in order to dry your nails if you want. But I went ahead and I'm using this nail dryer, so it was super affordable. I'll link it down below. I'm just applying a thin layer on my nails to seal the deal so I won't mess them up. So yes, there you go. My polish is not perfect, but honestly from far away you cannot even tell. But this is how I do my nails at home using no acrylics. They last for 2 weeks. I totally love it. I saved so much money from going to the salon. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.